Theta especially token really is a mid-position digital money at present evaluated at $1.050928 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $1.050928,443. Over the by and large past really couple of years, digital forms of money, including Theta token, laid out an exceptionally impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and in a real sense are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, in an unpretentious way. A few institutional financial backers even truly consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in a significant way. Retail financial backers and merchants basically are really keen on digital currencies, for example, Theta, since this basically is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources truly have the extremely potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately exceptionally brief timeframe, which certainly is genuinely huge. These profits especially are certainly unreachable in really different business sectors, which by and large is the justification for why most truly moderate financial backers in every practical sense are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Theta token. While the groundbreaking ones explicitly commit a critical piece of their very cash flow to this quickly creating resource class, or so they generally thought. At this fundamentally specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Theta token to the level at $1.050928 where it presently sits, which is genuinely critical. As currently referenced, Theta especially is a mid-position cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 54th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the especially metric that not entirely settled by duplicating the essentially current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in an unobtrusive manner. On account of Theta token, the market capitalization basically remains at $1.050928,443. The significance of this boundary will be truly made sense of later in a significant manner. Our cost expectation calculation basically is planned in extremely such a manner that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to by and large, furnish our supporters with the most dependable data on the genuinely present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently basically survey the condition of their portfolio and in every practical sense conclude whether its sort of requirements to really be reconfigured in an unobtrusive manner. Our calculation additionally really focuses on authentic information, which by and large is in every practical sense imperative for the essentially right assessment of both truly current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its for the most part present and future course. Beneath you will in a real sense find really key selections of this verifiable information, so you also could essentially have a comprehension of where the Theta genuinely token market in a real sense is going, or so they for the most part thought. Yesterday, on January 12, Theta was esteemed at $1.14 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings, sort of recall that digital currencies in every practical sense are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. Essentially further appearance how beneath you will especially find fundamentally key portions of this authentic information, so you also could essentially have a comprehension of where the Theta extremely token market generally is going, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period basically added up to 7.83% in a sort of enormous manner. 7 days prior, on January 6, Theta genuinely token generally was exchanged at $1.15 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that basically near its really present situation in a sort of significant manner. On December 13, which generally was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Theta at $1.11, the cost level that is at the distance of 5.21% from where it at present by and large stands in a fundamentally significant manner. The cost of Theta and the readings of CVIX sort of are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, or so they essentially thought. Market capitalization essentially is one more significant really metric that in every practical sense assists traders with fundamentally deciding the notoriety of the digital currency being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in a significant manner. It's likewise used to really evaluate the offer that Theta pretty symbolic holds inside the whole digital money market, which generally is very critical. The equation for the estimation of market capitalization is fairly straightforward. The flowing stock of the cash being referred to is increased by its sort of current cost, which fundamentally shows that Theta especially token explicitly is a mid-position cryptographic money as of now evaluated at $1.050928 that has a place with the class of mineable coins. With a market capitalization of $1.050928,443, which is very critical. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Theta remains at $1.050928,443, enough to name it the 54th sort of the biggest coin on the digital money market, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Yesterday, on January 12, the market capitalization of Theta especially token generally remained at $1,136,174,874, or so they basically thought. 7 days prior, on January 6, the capitalization of Theta most certainly was $1,149,308,032. Fundamentally further appearance how is currently referenced, Theta is a mid-position cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 54th spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings. The especially metric that sort not set in stone by duplicating the exceptionally current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. A month prior, on December 13, how much capital streaming around this specific market really added up to $1,108,663,277, which especially is genuinely critical. Most cryptographic money financial backers essentially stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a really certain digital currency and its capacity to endure disturbances, which for the most part are the normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market in an unobtrusive manner. The kind of most extreme stock of Theta fundamentally token explicitly is 100,000,000 Theta. The especially all-out supply of Theta presently in a real sense remains at 100,000,000 coins, which is genuinely critical. The flowing stock of the digital money under survey is 100,000,000 Theta, which especially is genuinely huge. This Theta token cost expectation wouldn't sort of be finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the measurement utilized by practically all cryptographic money merchants to affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move in a by and large enormous manner. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain in every practical sense is happening on the rear of the in every way that really matters, low exchanging volume, there essentially is a high likelihood that this move explicitly is unreasonable and would truly bring about a bullish snare, which sort of is very critical. Subsequently, it is essential to by and large break down the for the most part past and the kind of current exchanging volume of Theta request to especially comprehend whether this market has a basic strength, or so they especially thought. Over the truly beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Theta genuinely token market certainly was enlisted at $33,396,880 win in a fundamentally significant manner.